Hello everyone. It's me Esther. Today I'm going to share about how to perform year-end in SQL accounting. To perform year-end in SQL accounting, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check your financial start period. Confirm your company's financial period to ensure your closing date is correct. Go to Tools, gives Options, gives General Ledger. You'll see the financial start period. That means your closing date should be the 31st of December 2024. Step 2. Back up your database. Before doing anything, always back up your database to avoid data loss. Go to File, gives Backup Database. Click the plus icon, select your preferred location to save the file. Click Backup, and once it's done, click OK. Step 3. Analyze data integrity. Next, make sure your data is clean and error-free. Go to Tools, gives Analyze data integrity. Click Start Analysis. Wait until the analysis is completed. When the analysis complete message appears, click OK. Step 4. Perform year-end closing. Now you're ready to close the year. On your keyboard, press and hold CTRL SHIFT, then click Tools. You'll now see the year-end option appear. Select it. Choose your year-end date. Click Start, and once the process is done, click OK. Step 5. Log into the new financial year. Go to File, gives Log On. At the company list, click the arrow and choose the one marked with year ended. Log in as usual. Now you need to run your analysis again to make sure all correct. Go to Tools, gives Analyze data integrity. Click Start Analysis. Wait until the analysis is completed. When the analysis complete message appears, click OK. Next, you can go check your financial date. Go to Tools, gives Options, gives General Ledger. And you'll see your financial start period updated to the 1st of January 2025. This means your year-end process is successfully completed. Step 6. Update your company profile remark. To help identify your database easily, you can go to Company Profile, edit the remark, and click Save. Now you've successfully completed year-end in SQL accounting. Your data is now ready for the new financial year. Follow us for more e-invoice updates and tips.